Welcome back, Tech Newbies. My name is Don. If you have been following my channel, you probably know that I am a watch collector. Today we're gonna take a look at the first G-Shock I bought in 9 years, the Mudmaster GGB100. Is this still worth it in 2021? Let's go.
Tech Newbies.
This video is not sponsored. I bought this watch with my own money, so no bias here. The watch came packaged in the usual G-Shock black box. Inside, you'll find the manual and other literature that no one ever reads. Opening the top flap, you have the familiar G-Shock hexagonal tin case. Removing the lid of the tin case, you have the watch enclosed in this plastic material. This watch looked huge in the videos I saw, but in person, the size is just about right for large watches. Here is the G-Shock Mudmaster GGB100. This watch features Casio's carbon core guard structure that uses carbon fiber inserts to reinforce the resin case. As such, the carbon fiber material is visible in the bezel. There are 4 posts held by metal screws to protect the watch. The buttons are large with a gnarly surface, easily accessible even when using gloves. The case back has this resin cover with the logo of Carbon Core Guard etched on it for dual layer protection. This watch features analog hands with a digital display at the bottom. The watch face looks a bit busy, but it's pretty legible. In timekeeping mode, the digital display can be set to display the date, digital time, and number of steps by pressing the top left button. Pressing the top right button activates the compass. In compass mode, the second hand will point to the north. To go back to timekeeping mode, press and hold the lower left button for 2 seconds. This watch also has an altimeter. Just press the lower right button. The display will show your current altitude. Other functions include a barometer, a thermometer, recorder, sunrise and sunset times, stopwatch, and a timer. This watch also has an alarm function. You can set up to 5 alarms. There's also the hourly chime function. In the world time function, you can select the secondary time shown in the digital display by pressing the upper or lower right buttons. You can swap the home time and secondary time by pressing and holding the light button. So here, my secondary time is on the analog dial and my home time is now on the digital display. This is quite useful if you travel a lot to different time zones. Size-wise, here it is compared with the 2 biggest watches I currently have. And this is how it compares when worn. Though it's 4 millimeters bigger than the Phoenix 3, it fits quite comfortably on my 7-inch wrist. The Phoenix 3 feels bigger when worn. Aside from the LED light, the analog hands and indices are also loomed. Here it is compared to the Seiko Tuna. This watch can be paired to your mobile phone via the G-Shock connected app. After downloading and installing it, turn on your Bluetooth and location settings and open the app. Search for the model of the watch and click the model name. Then press and hold the connect button on the watch until the second hand points to the app indicator. Wait for the app to detect the watch. Then click register and follow the prompts to complete the pairing process. With the app, you can have mission logs, location indicator, and the step tracker. You can also configure the watch settings in this app. Overall, this is a very solid watch. Is this still worth it in 2021? Most definitely. Some would even argue that this is a tad better than its bigger brother, the GWG100, with only a few notable differences such as the sapphire glass crystal, multiband 6, and solar charging. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again next time. Keep safe. Peace.